Alright friends, welcome back to the new video. Before starting the video, friends, I have one question. क्या कभी आपने सोचा है कि ये जो भी दिल्ली में लोग यूपीएससी से थ्रू आईपीएस या फिर आईएएस बनना चाहते हैं, वो सबसे ज़्यादा फोकस किस पे देते हैं और वो किसके पीछे सबसे ज़्यादा भागते हैं, और वो है नोट्स. या you heard it right, notes. Today it's in today's topic and today's video I'm going to cover all the things you will need to know about notes. Okay, because the thing is, the students who are currently preparing for UPSC, they are mainly focused on your notes, on their notes. Okay, so that's why I have also advice for you that start making notes of each and every subjects which you are studying in your engineering semester. Okay, see, notes की importance क्या है, notes क्यों बनानी चाहिए, I am going to cover it later in today's video as well. But the first thing is, what is the notes? See, notes means in your subjects there are chapters, so you have to create some essay or some keywords which with the help of this keyword you can understand that entire flow. In Hindi, let me explain again that in every semester there are various subjects. हर एक सब्जेक्ट्स के अंदर चैप्टर्स होते हैं. चैप्टर्स में से आपने कुछ कीवर्ड्स निकाल के रख दिए और ये कीवर्ड्स की मदद से आप वो पूरा समझ सकते हैं. तो दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ नोट्स. Notes mean it is a summary of your chapter. It is a summary what you learn in that chapter. Okay, so basically notes क्या होते हैं? Notes वो रहता है कि आपने अपने आप से लिखा है कि आपने क्या पढ़ा है, आपने क्या समझा है. So how you have to make notes? First point, when you are study in your college lectures, that time you have to make sure that you are making notes, because this is the most important way you have to follow, and this is the most easiest way to make your notes. Because the thing is, when you are studying in your college lecture, your mind is fully on the board. What will happen that if you are not making your note, if you are not creating your notes, if you are not writing in your notebook, when you left to the home, you do some activity and you completely flush off your mind that what you learned on that lecture. Next day when you are sitting for the lecture and professor will say like we have covered this topic yesterday and you don't have note at the time, then what will happen? Rubbish, nothing. But instead of that, you have note for that particular lecture. You go to your home and you just have a look on that note. On the second day when professor will say like yesterday I taught you that, and you just see your note, everything will come up. Most important thing is notes is really useful for your upcoming time, for your time of mid semester, for your time of assignment, viva, for your time of final semester exam, and also at the time of your placement as well as gate examinations. See, notes you can take everywhere. You can create PDF of it, you can save in your mobile phone, and at the end you can read and study anywhere, anytime. So benefit of notes is like, as for I have already said you that कि आप कभी भी कहीं पर उसको PDF बना के ले जा सकते हो और कभी भी पढ़ सकते हैं. Second benefit of note is not only for your engineering. When you complete your engineering, when you started your job, after few years you have decided that you want to switch from one company to another company. That time this note is also going to be useful. At the end, note is useful every time of your life, every stage of your life. Let's say that after 20 years you want to change your company again. That time questions come from database, data structure, database management system. So that time you also again useful. Note is again useful. At the end, most important thing is note is going to be useful every time of your life, every time of your engineering, and each and every stage. Okay, so the thing is, right now I don't have any of my notes, but later I will try to find out, and I will also show you that how you can create note. Okay, and I am also going to be demonstrate in board as well that out of one chapter how you can make your note. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's video. In this video I am going to put you force so much that start making note if you are not doing it right now. Okay, don't wait for next time. Okay, you will like कि अगले समय करेंगे, इस समय कुछ नहीं किया. Start from today onwards, start from this moment onward. Okay, after completing this video you can read something, then start making it note. Okay, मैंने बहुत आपको फोर्स किया है आज के वीडियो में कि नोट बनाना स्टार्ट कर दीजिए, क्योंकि ये सही में बहुत काम में आएगा. लिटरली मुझे भी बहुत इससे बेनिफिट मिला है, तो मैं भी आपको फोर्स करके ये बोलना चाहता हूँ, प्लीज स्टार्ट मेकिंग नोट्स. ओके, सो या, थैंक यू वेरी मच for giving me your time, and thank you very much for watching this video. At the end, feel free to put your feedback in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.